Hello, dear student and dear learners. Today we are going to conduct our talk episode number 6, and today we are going to discuss about why English is important for everyone's life. And if if we are talking about the English language must learn for every student because the syllabus of student, if you wanna take admission in the BTech and MBA and any professional course, you must learn English. You must understand English, and also if you are searching your career in the AI field and also the web designing, and also you think about your career in the foreign country and you want to work as a freelancer, you must learn the communication skills, you must learn the English language. So this is the importance, and also English is an international language. If you speak English very well in front of the peoples, so also you can get the attention. Everybody give you the attention to you because you become a fluent speaker, and you are a fluent speaker. One day you become a fluent speaker if you learning English, and if you are watching this all the shows and all the episodes continuously, so I will give you the guarantee one day you become a fluent speaker because you have the ultimate potential. Because your career, there is a two reason why people actually learning English. First reason is that the fear, and second reason is the reward. If you get a big reward after learning English, so this language must for you. If but if you have some fear, reward, and second is the fear. If you have fear, so lose something, then you have to learn English. But time is very crucial and time is very important. If you have time right now, you must learn English and you must grow in your career in the next height and the next level of your earning. Also, your earning and your career actually depend on your learning. If you are learning day by day and you improve your skills day by day, so one day you will get a huge success in your field. Because the communication skills is must for every field. If you are a teacher, if you are a student, if you are a job employee, and you are a businessman, there is no difference between all that particular things. So you must learn that particular skills. So why English is important is particular things. Because if you learn English, after sometimes if you have the skills of English, you can easily communicate to other person. So your area and your communication area is actually the whole over world, and you can communicate the whole world. Right now in 21st century, you are communicating the 24 into 7. Why? With the help of social media, the Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, also so many platform available in the social media platform, and this is all the media platform you can communicate, and you also communicate the 24 into 7. So think about that, the communication level is different right now. So if you want to communicate the whole world, you must learn English. Because the power of communication, if you're thinking about the so many personality, the famous personality like that, the founder of Tesla, so actually take over the Twitter last some times. If you think about the back time in 2022, so this is because the founder knows the power of communicate and the power of communicating whole world, and this is the next generation to wonderful impact the communication. Because Twitter is a famous social media platform to convey their thoughts and share the post, like the famous person and the celebrities and also the politician. And this is the very faithful platform in social media. So that's why we are communicating whole world if we have the knowledge of English. So guys, you must learn English, and this is the way. English is must for everyone, and that's why the English is important. If you wanna start your business at the global level, so you must learn English. So this is the episode why English is important in our life, and we are going to the next session, next episode. So if you like this episode, if you like this video, so thank you so much watching this video, and see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.